Hello everyone, this is Toby, the General Manager of Veaqee Company, a reliable supplier of phone accessories with more than 18 years manufacturing experience. Our main items are phone chargers, USB cable, TWS earphone, power bank, Bluetooth speaker, and smartwatches. We focus on a new products development, OEM and ODM production, and customer service. 30% of our OEM and ODM customers are top 10 ranked in the phone accessory industry, such as 7-Eleven store in the United States, the largest electronic company in Mexico, Coop in Nordic supermarket chain, etc. For the fifth consecutive years, we have been recognized by 90% of our major customers in the phone accessory industry. Every year, we invest 10% of our annual profit in new products development. We launch more than 100 new private products. We have got certifications like ULCE, FCC, ROHS, BSCI, etc. to show innovation and sharing the latest market trend with our customers. We participate in different industry exhibitions such as Hong Kong Global Source Exhibitions, Las Vegas CES, and the Canada Fair area. With a professional Spanish and English speaking sales team, strong R&D team, supplier chain team, production team, QC team, etc. We have achieved 40% sales growth in 2024. Let's move to our factories. Our charger and cable factory is located in Dongguan, covering an area of 6,000 square meters, with 8 production lines, 100 to 150 skilled employees, including 8 professional technicians, engineers, with monthly output of more than 600,000 pieces. Our continued investment in production line and production equipment ensure that we can meet the growing needs of our customers. Last year, our production capacity increased by 40%. Stable quality is the most important. We have a strict quality control system. Our quality inspection standard is AQL Level 2, 0.65 functional acceptance standard, and 1.0 appearance inspection standards. Each product has gone through several tests in our factory and our warehouse to ensure its quality. All of Veaqee's products have more than 24 months quality warranties. The delivery time of Veaqee's hottest products is 7 to 15 days, and our in-stock items can be delivered within 48 hours. Every month, Veaqee ships more than 20 containers all over the world. Veaqee is committed to creating brand value for our customers, enhance all employees' material, spiritual happiness, to provide people with enjoyable technological life. Join us to achieve a new heights of growth together.
Yo folks, smartphone.